Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I will be sharing with you a few tips and tricks to save the battery on your iPhone 11. So currently, I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video. And we are currently on the latest iOS version, the iOS 18.3.1. Now the first tip to save the battery on your iPhone 11 is to go to the Settings app. Now from here, tap on General. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Background App Refreshment. Now from here, make sure you disable this option. Now by disabling this option, the apps on your device will not refresh in the background and it will save you a lot of battery. Now the second tip is to turn off True Tone. Now what this option does is it turns off the sensors which detect the tone of the display, which saves you a lot of battery. Now the third tip is to disable Hey Siri. Now for that, scroll down and tap on Siri. Now from here, tap on Talk to Siri, and from here, make sure you disable Hey Siri. Now when you enable Hey Siri, the microphone on your iPhone will work 24/7 to detect the Hey Siri word. Now when you disable this option, the microphone will turn off and it will not detect Hey Siri, which will save you a lot of battery. Now the fourth tip to save the battery on your iPhone 11 is to scroll down. Now from here, tap on Privacy and Security and tap on Tracking. Now from here, just disable this option. Now by turning off this option, the apps will not track your activity, which will save you a lot of battery. Now the fifth tip to save the battery on your iPhone 11 is to scroll down. Now from here, tap on Privacy and Security. Now from here, tap on Location Services. Now from here, set Never to apps which do not require location services to run. Just like that. Now the sixth tip to save the battery on your iPhone 11 is to go to Accessibility. Now from here, tap on Display and Text Size. Now from here, scroll down. And from here, make sure you enable Reduce White Point. Now from here, just set Reduce White Point to about 50%. Now what this option does is that it reduces the white point on your device, which will reduce the use of your battery. Now from here, just go back and from here, scroll down. Now from here, tap on Accessibility Shortcut. Now from here, scroll down and select Reduce White Point. Now what it does is that it maps the power button to reduce the white point when you click the power button 3 times. Just like that. Now the seventh tip to save the battery on your iPhone 11 is to scroll down. Now from here, tap on Notifications. Now from here, scroll down. Now from here, just turn off notifications for apps. You do not need them to send you notifications. Just like that. Now the eighth tip to save the battery on your iPhone 11 is to search Dark Mode. Now from here, tap on Light Dark. Now from here, make sure you enable Dark Mode. Now, the last tip to save the battery on your iPhone 11 is to open the Control Center. Now from here, tap and hold on the empty space in your Control Center. Now from here, tap on Add a Control and tap on Low Power Mode. Now from here, once you added low power mode on your control center, Just tap on the empty space to save it. Now from here, just make sure you enable low power mode. And those were some tips and tricks to save the battery on your iPhone 11. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.